Good morning, dear students. Now today we are going to discuss about some multiple choice questions of the chapter Water Resources. So the first question is, water is a dash resource, and options are: option A, abiotic resource; B, biotic resource; C, non-renewable resource; D, cyclic resource. So the right answer is D, that is cyclic resource. The second question is, the surface of earth covered with water is: options are A, 71%; B, 79%; C, 69%; D, 70%. And the right answer is A, that is 71%. Now the next question is, 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, but the fresh water constitutes only about: options are A, 2%; B, 3%; C, 4%; D, 5%. And the right answer is B, that is 3%. Now the next question is, the total geographical area of India to the total geographical area of the world is: options are 2.4%; B, 2.8%; C, 2%; D, 3%. The right answer is A, that is 2.4%. The next question is, the total water resources available in India is dash to the total water resources of the world. And the options are A, 3%; B, 4%; C, 5%; D, 6%. The right answer is B, that is 4%. The next question is, the total water available from precipitation in India in a year is: options are option A, 4,000 cubic kilometers; B, 5,000 cubic kilometers; C, 6,000 cubic kilometers; D, 3,000 cubic kilometers. And the right answer is A, that is 4,000 cubic kilometers. Now the next question is, the availability from surface water and replenishable groundwater is: options are A, 1869 cubic kilometers; B, 1969 cubic kilometers; C, 1769 cubic kilometers; D, 2069 cubic kilometers. And the right answer is A, that is 1869 cubic kilometers. Now the next question is, the total utilizable water resources in the country is: options are A, 1122 cubic kilometers, that is 60%; B, 1222 cubic kilometers, that is 65%; D, 1322 cubic kilometers, that is 70%, and none of the above. The right answer is A, that is 1122 cubic kilometers, 60%. Now the next question is, due to topographical, hydrological and other constraints, dash of the available surface water can be utilized. Options are A, about 690 cubic kilometers; B, about 790 cubic kilometers, C about 960 cubic kilometers, D about 890 cubic kilometers. And the right answer is A, that is 690 cubic kilometers. Now the next question is, the total replenishable groundwater resources in the country are, options are about 432 cubic kilometers, B about 532 cubic kilometers, C about 632 cubic kilometers, D about 332 cubic kilometers. And the answer is A, that is about 432 cubic kilometers. The next question is, which group of states is highly affected by concentration of fluoride in the groundwater resources? Options are A, Uttar Pradesh, B, Bihar and West Bengal, C, Rajasthan and Maharashtra, D, Punjab and Haryana. The right answer is C, that is Rajasthan and Maharashtra. The next question is, the mean annual flow in the river basins in India is, options are A, 1869 cubic kilometers, B, 1969 cubic kilometers, C, 1769 cubic kilometers, D, none of the above. The right answer is 1869 cubic kilometers. The next question is, which one of the following rivers has the highest replenishable groundwater resources in the country? The options are A, the Indus, B, the Brahmaputra, C, the Ganga, D, the Godavari. The right answer is C, that is the Ganga. Next question is, which group of states is highly affected by concentration of arsenic? And the options are A, Rajasthan and Maharashtra, B, Punjab and Haryana, C, West Bengal and Bihar, D, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The right answer is C, that is West Bengal and Bihar. The next question is, in which year National Water Policy was implemented? Options are A, 2002, B, 2008, C, 2015, D, 2005. And the right answer is A, that is 2002. Now the next question is, in which year Government of India has launched Jal Kranti Abhiyan? The options are A, 2011 and 12, B, 2013 and 14, C, 2015 and 16, D, 2017 and 18. The right answer is C, that is 2015 and 16. The next question is, which of the following program has been launched by the Union government for cleaning of river Ganga? Options are A, Ganga Action Plan, B, Namami Ganga, C, Ganga Namami Action Plan, D, Ganga Cleaning Mission. The right answer is B, that is Namami Ganga. Now the next question is, which of the following areas of the country are deficient in rainfall and are drought prone? Options are A. Northeastern states, B. Deccan Plateau, C. Gangetic Plain, D. Brahmaputra Valley. The right answer is B, that is Deccan Plateau. Now, next question is, which of the following crops does not require much water to grow? Options are A. Rice, B. Sugarcane, C. Jute, D. Bajra. The right answer is D, that is Bajra. Now the next question is, which of the following sector consumes the highest amount of water in India? The options are A. Industry, B. Agriculture, C. Domestic, D. None of the above. The right answer is B, that is agriculture. Now the next question is, Niru Miru program belongs to which state of India? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Andhra Pradesh. The right answer is D, that is Andhra Pradesh. The next question is, Haryali program is related to the development of. Options are A. Forest cover, B. Watershed management, C. Soil conservation, D. Food grain productions. The right answer is B, that is watershed management. The next question is, which of the following group of states observed the successful strategy of green revolution of agricultural development? Options are A. Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, B. Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan, C. Punjab, Western UP and Rajasthan, D. Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat. The right answer is A, that is Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. The next question is, what percent of net sown area in Punjab, Haryana and Western UP is under irrigation? Options are A. 88%, B. 85%, C. 89%, D. 81%. And the right answer is B, that is 85%. The next question is, what is the negative impact of intensive irrigation in the states of Punjab, Haryana and Western UP? Options are A. Increasing salinity in the soil, B. Increased soil erosion, C. Soil become alkaline, D. Decreasing of soil fertility. And the right answer is A, that is increasing salinity in the soil. Now the next question is, which of the following are the most polluted rivers of the country? Options are Ganga and Brahmaputra, B. Ganga and Godavari, C. Ganga and Yamuna, D. Yamuna and Brahmaputra. And the right answer is C, that is Ganga and Yamuna. The next question is, Environment Protection Act was implemented in which year in India? The options are A. 1974, B. 1986, C. 1988, D. 1997. The right answer is B. That is 1986. The next question is, much of the annual water flow of which of the following river has not been harnessed? Options are A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, D. Brahmaputra. The right answer is D. That is Brahmaputra. The next question is, in which of the following state the groundwater utilization is very high? Options are A. Punjab, B. Maharashtra, C. Bihar, D. Gujarat. And the right answer is A. That is Punjab. Next question is, which of the following group of states utilize groundwater the most? Options are A. Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Tripura, B. Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, C. Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Kerala, Bihar, D. Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Tripura, Maharashtra. The right answer is B. That is Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. The next question is, which of the following is not the benefit of rainwater harvesting? Options are A. It increases water availability, B. It checks the declining groundwater table, C. It improves the quality of groundwater through dilution of contaminants like fluorides and nitrates, D. It is helpful in the production of hydroelectricity. And the right answer is D. That is, it is helpful in the production of hydroelectricity. The next question is, the lagoons of states like Kerala, Odisha and West Bengal are not utilized to which of the following purpose? The options are A. Fishing, B. Irrigating certain variety of paddy crops, C. Irrigation of coconut, D. For drinking purpose in household. The right answer is D. That is for drinking purpose in household. The next question is, which of the following sectors utilize most of the surface and groundwater? Options are A. Agriculture, B. For hydroelectricity, C. Industries, D. Household. The right answer is A. That is agriculture. The next question is, which of the following program sponsored by central government aims at enabling the rural population to conserve water for drinking, irrigation, fisheries and afforestation? The options are A. Arwari Pani Sansad, B. Haryali, C. Niru Miru, D. Narmada Bachao Movement. The right answer is B. That is Haryali. The next question is, in which of the following states the share of area irrigated through wells and tube wells is very high? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Maharashtra, C. Gujarat, D. Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is Gujarat. Next question is, which of the following rainwater harvesting structures have not been constructed under Arwari Pani Sansad program? Options are A. Percolation tanks, B. Dugout ponds, C. Check dams, D. Wells. The right answer is D, that is wells. The next question is, which of the following states made compulsory to install rainwater harvesting system while constructing houses or buildings? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Andhra Pradesh. The right answer is A, that is Tamil Nadu. The next question is, in Rajasthan, rainwater harvesting structures locally known as, options are A. Juhadas, B. Kund and Tanka, C. Kul or Gul, D. Percolation pits. The right answer is B, that is Kund and Tankas. The next question is, which of the following is the aim of watershed management program? Options are A. Bringing about balance between natural resources on the one hand and society on the other. B. Grow more and more trees. C. Digging of wells for rainwater harvesting. D. Distribution of water equally among all the sections of society. The right answer is A, that is bringing about balance between natural resources on one hand and society on the other hand. Now the next question is, which of the following pairs is not matched correctly? Options are A. Water Act 1974, B. Environment Protection Act 1986, C. WATERSHED Act 1977, D. The Central Pollution Control Board 1997. The right answer is D, that is the Central Pollution Control Board 1997. Now the next question is, match the following. So one side we have rivers, in the second column we have polluted places. So Yamuna is mostly polluted in Delhi and Etawah. Kali in Madurai. Gomti in Lucknow. Sabarmati in Ahmedabad. Ganga in Kanpur and Varanasi. Musi in Hyderabad. So the right answer is A. Next question is, consider the following and choose the correct answers from the given options. 1. Over withdrawal of groundwater in Rajasthan and Maharashtra increased fluoride concentration. B. This practice has led to increase in concentration of arsenic in part of West Bengal and Bihar. Options are A. Only statement 1 is correct. B. Only statement 2 is correct. C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. D. Both the statements are wrong. The right answer is C, that is both 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is, the availability of usable water is limiting day by day. the available water resources is getting polluted due to increase in population, industrial, agricultural, and domestic effluents. Options are: only statement 2 is correct. B. Both are correct. Statement 2 correctly explains statement 1. C. Both are correct but not related to each other. D. Both are wrong. The right answer is B. That is, both are correct. And statement 2 correctly explain statement 1. The next question is assertion. The states like Kerala, Odisha, and West Bengal have vast surface water resources in lagoons and lakes. The reason is it is used for fishing and irrigation, certain variety of paddy crops, coconut, etc. Options are A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is B. That is, both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Next question is, the Ganga and Yamuna are the two highly polluted rivers in the country. Reason: it is due to addition of foreign substances, microscopic organisms, chemicals, industrials, and other wastes. And the right answer is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. The next question is, watershed management refers to efficient management and conservation of surface and groundwater resources. Reason: this is done by prevention of runoff and storage and recharge of groundwater. Options are both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is A. That both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. The next question is, the groundwater utilization is relatively high in the river basin lying in northwestern region and parts of South India. Reason: this is due to deficiency of rainfall. Options are A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is A. That is, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. The next question is, the concentration of arsenic in parts of West Bengal and Bihar has increased. Reason: this is due to overuse of groundwater resources has led to decline in groundwater. Options are A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is A. That is, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video.